This smell lasts all day. Since I started using Bask and Lather beard products, my beard went from crusty to smooth. It's thicker, it's smoother, it smells amazing. First, we start with the conditioner. Now the shampoo to get that smell good. This smell lasts all day. After the shampoo, I do one more condition. You don't need much. Then you dry the beard really good. Now it's time for the beard magic. Use the dropper to hit all of those light spots. Then massage in. Last but definitely not least, do not leave home without oiling your beard. This beard oil has amazing scent and keeps your beard glistening. And there we go.